good fellas done made it. The good fellas done made it. Y'all know y'all. Y'all know y'all.
Facts.
We out here, good fellas. The hat back. Y'all know I'm on my worst behavior. Facto. Let's get to it. Let's go get these stamps. Show you how to do this, son. Facto. Moonwalking frontwards to go get these stamps. We moonwalking frontwards. Y'all know how that go. Nah, real talk. Real talk out here in Thailand. It's like, you know, I had a few beers on the plane, but I'm not drunk. Look at this. Look at the escalator.
That shit's about to go downhill, son.
It's a roller coaster. There's no steps.
Your shit, your bags will roll away from you.
You start moving, the bags start moving.
This shit gonna help you get downstairs easier.
They're usually pretty innovative, but they was fooling us. It's a joke.
There's no steps on this shit.
All right, now you know I ain't smoked a cigarette in about 25 hours, so first time outside the airport, we gotta go ahead and light that John up real fast, real quick. And I ain't giving smoke one neither. Then we're gonna hop in the taxi and we're gonna go to where we going. All right, we are in Bangkok, Thailand for a few days. About to link up with the good fella Free Society. Facto. I'm shaking. Now we about to smoke a cig. And I'm being professional. I'm being professional, so I'm not gonna show y'all smoking a cig. But I'm gonna be right back though. Get my out here though. Facto. It's hot. It's nice though. It's a little nice little spot. Alright, we just grabbed this taxi ticket from the thing. What did it say? 53? And apparently they number your ticket.
Yeah.
Number the jar. Then you gotta find the jar. And quite frankly, we done walked at least 7 or 8 miles today.
I'm gonna be in shape like a motherfucker.
Quite frankly. Yeah, we gonna be in shape. I'm hot. Got the taco meat out.
Lane number 53.
So we looking for lane 53. They cuter than I thought in person. I'm not gonna hold y'all. But we haven't seen a lot, but the ones we've seen is little cuties. Sure? Need help? Want some help? Want some help? So we gonna see it. It's busy too. Look at this shit. All right. We lit it. Yeah.
Close.
I bet. Had to take off the DC hat because it's too damn hot to sweat it out. And I missed it. I miss it. I haven't worn it in so long. 1 year I haven't worn it. Since the rise of the good fellas. Oh, but they could fit. All right. Now I'm sweating again.
I'm soaked.
All right, we spinning. Oh, it's on the other side. Let me sit in the front.
Never ride in this back.
Hello, my friend, you come. Yeah, I said stop. You
You
come.
stop it. You in the
Right.
front. You said, all right, okay, thank you.
Who's that guy right there in the picture? The king?
Yes.
Long live the king. All right. All right. So for my taxi said, bring your punk ass up to the front and record, nigga.
Area Thailand.
Okay. Thank God I ain't too cool for the safe belt. Wouldn't that be some First 10 minutes, broken leg.
Basically.
That'd be ugly. In Bangkok. Oh yeah, we lit. My man moving and grooving. Oh, he don't use his signals. Some Bangkok traffic popping off. Hey man, what's your name, man? What's your name?
My name Kisada.
Kisada?
Yes.
Alright, man. Am I gonna find my wife out here, man? I'm gonna find my wifey out here, man.
You gotta fly your wife out here.
Oh man. Give her a good fella shirt to her. That's gonna be the
Official attire.
the engagement
Come
ring. New York.
New York.
New York. How long is this ride, Smoke?
Probably 25 minutes.
What?